Hello, my crafty goblins and ghouls. I hope you're having a bootastic day. Welcome to day 10 of the 13 Days of Halloween series, hosted by Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick, and yours truly, Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. For today's project, I created this fun tea light haunted house using a digital file by Dreaming Tree. Their website is 3dsvg.com, and I will be sure to include a link in the description box below. This project is great if you're short on time, but you still want to have a fun Halloween look and feel in your house. I also think that this is a fun project to do with kids because it is so easy to put together. This piece measures 12 inches from the top to bottom and 10 inches from the sides. On the top here we have these black glittered bats. We have a sentiment that says Happy Halloween with a cute little spider. I've added in these fun little ghosts. We've got pumpkins and a little scaredy cat. I just love the way this turned out, and it was so easy to make. This is a profile of the side. As you can see, it's quite narrow, and here is the back. This is where you put your tea light candles. You can put one here, here, and here. This concludes my review of my tea light haunted house. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that little bell so that you will always be notified of my videos. Please be sure to join us tomorrow for day 11 of the 13 Days of Halloween for more spooky fun crafts. Also, please stop by Rosa Kelly's channel as well as Michelle Randolph's to see what fun projects they're working on. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.